Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Yubo account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. Now first of all, tap on your Yubo application. Now as you open your Yubo application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, right on top in the upper right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now on the other page, in the upper right corner, there you can see a gear icon or the settings icon. Tap on it. Now as you tap on the settings icon, on the other page you have a list of different options. Now scroll down right to the bottom, and right in the bottom you can see an option called delete account. Tap on it. So as you tap on delete account, there is a pop-up window. Now make sure to go through the following statement carefully. Now right at the bottom you'll have to type in delete. Now make sure to type in exactly how it is. Now once you type in correctly, so tap on delete option, which is right in the corner. So here as you can see, my account has been deleted, and once you delete your account, you'll not be able to restore again. Now that is how you can delete your Yubo account on your device. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.